Hello everyone, this is Kaustav here from InsightStat and welcome to this next video on Power BI Basics. Today we are going to discuss about aggregating and grouping by information. Now let's take a business scenario here. Let's go to one of our tables from transform data, and let's say I am in the sales data table and I want to look at the total orders by any customer, right? Now in this table, that information is given to me, the customer information is given to me by the customer key. And then I have the order quantity here, and that talks about the line item wise order of the customers. Right now, a customer can place multiple orders, and for that, I can have a repetition of customers here, the customer key here. Now I want to know what is the total number of orders by each customer. So how do I do it? In order to do that, in the transform ribbon in the Power Query, I have Group By. Now there are two things that you need to remember for Group By. When you are trying to do Group By, we will need one categorical column, at least one categorical column, one numerical column, and an aggregate function that we have to do on that numerical column. So not two, but three things. At least one categorical column. In this case, we have a customer key, one numerical column, and one aggregate function. So in this case, the aggregate function is the sum. We are trying to sum the order quantity, which is a numerical column. And let me name this column as total orders maybe. Okay. Now when I do this, when I click on OK, you'll see that I have reduced my table to two-column table. It's a two-column table now, and in this table I have the customer key and I have the total orders. Now if I sort the total orders by descending, oh, look at this. So we have this customer key 11262 ordering 106, customer key 11300 ordering 106 items, in total 11331 102, so on and so forth. So this is how we can aggregate or group by our data. This is very similar to what we do in SQL as well, right? Okay, now there is an advanced version of this as well. So let me delete this step here. I get my original table back. Now, what if I want to look at customer and product combination of the total orders? So this time I need customer key, product key, and the total orders. Very similar. I need to go to Group By again, and this time instead of basic, I'll go to advanced. Now in advanced, I'll add one more grouping here, and I'll select customer key. I'll name this as total orders again, and it's still sum here and order quantity. Right now when I click on OK, look at this. Now I have the product key, I have the customer key, and I have the total orders. Now if I do a descending of the total orders, so this is the combination now. Product 530 ordered by customer 11566, 28 total. Similarly, product 480, 11091 is the customer key and 21 orders. Similarly, product 480 again, and customer key is a different customer this time. 11331 ordered 21 times. Look at this. Product 480, 11262. This is the customer who has ordered, and they've ordered 17 times. Or 17 is the total ordered quantity. Right? So we can add more number of columns in group by, just remember what I said, we need at least one categorical. So here we have two categorical columns, but please understand, the more number of categorical columns you add to group by and your aggregation, the more complex it gets to interpret. Okay, so at this point in time, when we are just starting out, I would always say, let me delete this. One more bonus tip that I'm going to tell you today is, if you want to edit one of your calculations, all you have to go is go into this gear icon, click here. Look at this, I get my uh, previous window back where I had put in all the information about the group by, right? So you can do your group by, edit your group by from here. But I don't want to do this. I will cancel this and I'll grow the group by again. This time I'll do a basic group by, a product key, total orders again, sum, and if you notice here, we have different options here. We can do sum, average, median, mean, max. We can count distinct, we can do all rows. So these are all aggregation options that we have. So in group by and aggregation is very, very important. So now when we do by product key, this is what I get. And when I do sort descending of the total orders, product 477 is the most popular product, 7967 total orders. 480 comes next with 5,898 orders. Right? This is how we will extract insights from our data, and in upcoming videos I'll talk about how to bring in the product name as well here, how to bring in a customer name as well, and look at the different information that we might have in our data. So for today, that is all I have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.